What's next for the two organizations?
Talk about your annual meeting.
Yeah. So we are just now launching this notion that SME and CESMII are going to partner at SouthTec for our annual member meeting, which is an exciting annual event for us. Last year we debuted our partnership at SMX in Pittsburgh.
Right.
We'll have that again in 2024 in Pittsburgh at SMX, but this year our annual member meeting is going to coincide in Greenville, South Carolina at SouthTec.
We're thrilled to have you. Thrilled to have you be a part of that. We're looking at ways to further incorporate CESMII and smart manufacturing into what we're doing at SouthTec, October, Greenville, South Carolina. Looking at pavilions and smart education tracks. So thrilled to continue to build on this relationship. And SMX again next year in Pittsburgh in May and carrying on that theme.
Outstanding. And then like we did at SMX for the first time, kind of bring in the rest of the manufacturing USA ecosystem, right? Yeah.
That does not happen very often.
Right.
We're thrilled at your ability to help us harness the power of those 16 manufacturing institutes so we can have a majority of them join us at SMX next year.
Beautiful. Looking forward to it.
Likewise.
Thank you.
Great. Well, it sounds like a lot of interesting and productive things to come down the road. Thanks again for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the future.
Thank you, Steve, and thank you, John.
Thank you, Bob.